Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Marianne and in this video I'll do a quick flip through of my current setup in my A5 Filofax Domino Soft Planner in the color Orchid. Let's go. Okay, here we have a calendar for 2021 to 2024 from the Budget Mums Live Rich Planner printable download. Next we have August's planner. The cover is inspired by living letter plans. These planner inserts I have available in my Etsy shop. The link is below. You can either get the A5 bullet planner bundle or buy each spread separately. They are undated, so you can print as many pages as you want. Then we have my August budget sheets. The paycheck bill tracker, a few of the expense trackers, and where did my money go worksheets are the Budget Mums Budget by Paycheck printable downloads. Then the latest expense trackers are my A5 printable inserts. We then move on to September Planner, where I watercolored the cover page following Jay Lee painting tutorial here on YouTube. We have the calendar, habit, mood and sleep trackers, and 5 sets of the well-being and weekly spreads. At the end, you have dotted pages for brain dumping and notes. I recently created the Instagram tracker so I can note big follower milestones on Instagram. I then have the running total worksheet plus my expense trackers with enough pages for a month's worth of expense tracking. Then I have my online sales tracker, followed by September's Budget by Paycheck worksheets. I also have October Bullet Planner and Budget Planner inserts ready to go. The next tabs are my list of stuff, someday maybe, and my homeschool weekly planner for term 3, which has 10 weeks worth of weekly planner spread. Next are my funds trackers for my cash envelopes, debit accounts, sinking funds, and savings. And I have worksheets to track my yearly spending overview, net worth, sinking funds, visual trackers and home deposit trackers. And some clear pockets to house a bit of cash that I need to deposit in the bank. Finally, the pens I use are these Pilot Friction clickable pens in black and green. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications of when I upload new videos. Bye bye.